𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕 is known as pokok kapal terbang or Siam weed. The family is Asteraceae. This plant is large, bushy plant, has long, rambling branches that do not swing. The stems are terete and pubescent. The leaves are opposite, flaccid, membranous, velvety, pubescent, deltoid, ovate, and acute. The entire surface of bush is covered in mass of white or light blue lilac bloom or flowers. The origin of this species is in South and Central America and it grows quickly. It is invasive weed in tropical Asia, Africa, and Pacific, where it was introduced. This species is a potential harmful weed that spread to roadside, disturbed site, waste area, and riparian zones, the bank of watercourse, bushland, forest, margin, disturbed area, crop, and plantation in tropical and subtropical countries. The initial distribution to Southeast Asia probably occurred via introduction into the Calcutta Botanic Gardens. 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕 most likely traveled through Indonesia via shipment of live cattle. The little seed could contaminate pasture and forestry seed supply that are imported in Queensland, Australia. Companies that extract sand and gravel are present in the Turingowa and Tulis River catchment. Due to their location in Siam weed's favored habitat, there is a significant chance that this seed will be dispersed and may continue to grow for several years after this. Makes the location a key risk pathway. Long-distance transportation of soil, sand, and gravel is uncommon because the primary expense of these resources are related to their transportation. As a result, there are commercial obstacles to this kind of long-distance dissemination. Seeds stuck in car bodywork have been found to disperse over longer distance.
Greetings, I am 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕 and I am eager to provide more in-depth exploration of 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕, widely recognized as Siam weed or pokok kapal terbang. This species, known for its adaptability and resilience, presents a complex interplay of impacts and potential uses in our ecosystem. First one to be discussed is the impact caused by 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕. 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘳𝘰𝑟 invasive nature poses a threat to biodiversity as it outcompetes native plants, leading to a reduction in variety and abundance of local flowers. This, in turn, adversely affects insects and birds relying on native vegetation, disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystem. The species also plays a role in disruption of ecological succession by impeding natural processes like nutrition cycling and altering soil structure. This interference has broader implications for the overall health and resilience of ecosystem, impacting not only the plant life but also the myriad organisms that depend on these processes. In agriculture settings, 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕 introduced challenges by competing with crops for essential resources, potentially causing reduced yields. Moreover, its status as potential host for pests and disease further complicates agriculture management. The flammable nature of 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕 increases the risk of wildfires, posing threats to both natural habitat and human settlements. This factor underscores the need of effective management strategies to mitigate the associated fire risk. Furthermore, the invasive plant contributes to soil erosion and alters habitats, negatively impacting biodiversity and downstream water quality. The alteration of soil structure and habitat degradation has cascading effects on the health of ecosystem, affecting various interconnected components. Next, the usefulness of 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕. Firstly, the 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘳𝘳𝘭𝘢𝘕 proves to be a powerful ally in environmental conservation. Its robust root system is particularly effective in stabilizing soil, making it an indispensable tool in preventing erosion and aiding the restoration of ecosystem. This characteristic positions it as a valuable resource in initiatives focused on maintaining soil health and preventing land degradation. Moreover, the species exhibits promising photoremediation potential. Research suggests that 𝘊𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘳𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘭𝘢𝘕 can absorb pollutants from the soil, showcasing its ability to contribute to environmental cleanup efforts. This quality not only benefits the plant, itself but also holds a promise for enhancing soil and water quality in the contaminated areas. Beyond its environmental role, 𝘊𝘁𝘳 odorata is worthy for its medical properties. Studies have explored its potential antimicrobial and wound healing effects, suggesting cultural applications in traditional medicine. This aspect of plant opens avenues for further research and potential contribution to healthcare practices. That's all from me. Thank you.
Invasive species like 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata pose a significant threat to ecosystem. Today we explore a comprehensive approach to control this invasive plant. Mechanical control. First up, mechanical controls hand tools such as pick, hose, and shovels, along with motorized equipment like bush cutters, play a crucial role. Fire is another tool, effective in managing the South African variant during its early growth stage. Chemical control. Moving on to chemical control, emergency herbicides like furans and anthracene have shown promise in reducing germination. Post-emergency herbicides like paraquats, glyphosate, and 2,4-D are effective against major plants, providing a focused and offensive control method. Biological control. Biological control introduces enzymes and mites that feeds on 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳. The Commonwealth Institute of Biological Control successfully introduced phosphodiesterase recoverers in several regions, demonstrating the potential of biological control. Acetylase odorata gives a mite and also a natural enemy of 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳. Community-based management. Community-based management is a curious, involving local community in decision-making not only foster a sense of ownership but also tap into traditional knowledge. For instance, utilizing leaf for cooking banana and ancient practice can be eco-friendly alternative. In conclusion, together chemical, biology, and community-based strategy form a powerful arsenal against 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata. Collaboration between government researchers and local community is a key to addressing these invasive species and preserving biodiversity.
There is the current issues on chosen invasive species, which is the ecological impact, economic impact, and social impact. Ecological impact. A study conducted in India Western Ghats revealed that 40% plant decline because of 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata invasion. This burden for traces casts a suffocating shadow over native flora, hogging precious sunlight, water, and nutrients. A symphony of biodiversity is reduced to a monotonous dirge as countless plant species are squeezed out of existence. The domino effect ripples through the ecosystem, jeopardizing the survival of insects, birds, and mammals who rely on the vanished native for sustenance and shelter. And the next one is economic impact. In East Africa, 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata infestation is estimated to cause a stretching 40 million annual loss in maize production alone, a stark testament to its economic stranglehold. The tentacle of 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata's grips extend beyond ecological realm, strengthening the economic lifeblood of local communities. Furthermore, through its rampant growth, clogs irrigation canals and disrupts transportation network, adding insult to injury by escalating infrastructure, maintenance costs for cash-strapped communities. Last but not least, social impact. In Vietnam, over 2,000 people suffer from 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata-induced allergies, highlighting the width insidious intrusion into the social well-being of communities. The effect of 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata don't just break ecosystem and economies, they pierce the very fabric of local communities. Moreover, the pollen of 𝘊𝘁𝘳𝘳 odorata can trigger allergic reaction and respiratory problems, posing a health threat to vulnerable individuals. Here is the example of article.